All right, here is a wireless doorbell. So this is just a doorbell. It's not like a Ring doorbell with a camera or something. It's just a straight up doorbell. There's a little screwdriver guy. It's pretty nice. Basically, these two pieces plug into an electrical outlet in your house, and then this will be just a doorbell. So, I mean, in theory, you could screw it into the wall, or you could just, it comes with screws, or it has just 3M tape. So basically, you can just stick this to something, and it should beep. So there's a little tiny hole here. You pop your screwdriver, pop it open. You slide your battery in there. It comes with the battery. Using this side, you can drill holes in there. It even has a little arrow in there telling you which side's up, which is nice. And then, of course, it's just a little nice button. It can also be used as a pager. So again, you don't need to use it. It doesn't have to be a doorbell outside. Like, for example, my father-in-law, he has a shed outdoors. And when I say shed, it's like almost like a little tiny house he does outside. And let's say in his house, he could put this in his shed and put this in his house. If his wife wants them, she could just push the button and it would beep and he would know, come on in there. Plus they're very loud. He's very old. It works out. Anyhow, all the people in my house are sleeping right now, so I don't want to ring this doorbell, but I'll give you an example of it. Oh, it even has little indents in the tape here, right? You see these little holes that would fit these little holes. So that's pretty good. Anyhow, we'll get it set up and you can see what it's like. Here it is the next day. So let me show you how to put the battery in here. There are like a little white line there. It shows you where the battery should go. I see, as long as it's in contact, it's good, but I like to level it up. I follow directions. There's a line there, so I'm gonna stick to that line. And then let's put them back together. There's a nice little peel off guy here, right? Nice and pretty now. This isn't gonna be so pretty, but I'm gonna go ahead and plug in one of these guys, not two of them. You don't need both of them for this demonstration. And so we're gonna be like this. Now, that's so loud. All right, so that's one. So that's just me pushing the button. This thing can handle up to 8 plugins. We only have 2 here, but you can buy extras, of course. 60 doorbell chimes. Yeah, so there's a button right here. This is a volume button, and this is the melodies. I'm gonna have it go as low as I can, because it's right next to me, and it's blowing my eardrums out. Yeah, every time you push the button, it changes to the new tone. I haven't pushed this button, see? That's just showing you the tones whenever you push this button. So now I'll push it. That's my favorite one so far. Pretty classic guy. All right, that's my new favorite. Yeah, so you can tell there's the volume settings there, and there's the speakers here. I'm gonna plug this one into a different wall. You're not gonna see it because it's not gonna be. I just want to see if they do the same sound automatically or if they do different sounds. I guess I can do it. I can make it so you can see it. Let's see if they naturally sync up to sounds or not. No, there'll be different tones. This one's so loud. I didn't turn that one down. Yeah, it's a nice button, nice deep press to it. This will be very useful. So again, it's sold as a plug-in wireless doorbell with double receivers, right? And they did send this to me, but I like it. Really, I could put this down here, like a lot of times, right? I'm working in my basement or filming in my basement. This is my door here. You can see the doorknob there, light switch there. I could leave this upstairs, put one of these down here, and I can have someone dig me if they need me. Or vice versa, I could put that in my son's room, keep this down here, and just wake him up in the middle of the night. That'd be fun. Or you can put it on your front door as a doorbell, right? Obviously, it looks pretty universal doorbell button look here. And I said it comes with the sticky tape. Obviously easy to put on sticky tape. You peel off one side, it is sticky. You peel off this side, also sticky. So you put one side on the device and one side on your wall, of course, and then boom. It's pretty good. All right, according to this, it is IP44 dustproof and waterproof protection. I assume for this piece, not for this piece, but I don't know. Okay, it says you can use a pager, which makes it suitable for kids, nursery, or elder care. Yeah, same. My mother is getting up in years. She's not there yet, but maybe someday we need to take care of her. Instead of having like an old school little bell you ring, you could just put this in the house and have this in the room, and that'd be where my mom had knee surgery last year. It would have been perfect. She could have been in her room, and she could have taken this with her and have this out in the living room, and boom, boom, help, I'm falling. Can't get up. So yeah, I like this. I give it a big thumbs up. It's a great product. Again, they sent it to me, but I can find plenty of uses for this. Actually, my actual Ring doorbell is damaged, so I will probably use this as my actual doorbell. I don't want to take my camera outside to film, but it will work perfectly for that. So yeah, big thumbs up. All right, thanks.